At the DEFEA 2025 International Defense Exhibition in Athens, BAE Systems has publicly unveiled a scale model of its Amphibious Combat Vehicle Recovery, ACV-R, for the first time, rounding out the full suite of vehicle variants developed for the U.S. Marine Corps' modern amphibious forces. With this debut, all major configurations of the ACV family are now on display, offering military leaders and defense experts a comprehensive look at the future backbone of Marine Corps amphibious mobility. The ACV lineup, comprising the troop-carrying ACV-P, the command-oriented ACV-C, the firepower-enhanced ACV-30 armed with a 30mm cannon, and now the support-focused ACV-R, was designed to phase out the outdated assault amphibious vehicles, AAVs, introduced in the early 1970s. This family of 8x8 vehicles, jointly developed by BAE Systems and Iveco Defense Vehicles, is built to dominate the coastal and littoral battle spaces with modular adaptability and survivability in harsh operational theaters. The ACV-R fills a vital niche in this next-generation force structure by offering immediate recovery and maintenance support on the battlefield. Armed with the tools and equipment necessary for frontline repair and vehicle extraction, this variant ensures sustained mobility and mission continuity even in contested environments. Under a $34.9 million development contract awarded in 2021, BAE Systems began designing the ACV-R. This was followed by a $79 million production contract in 2024, signaling a transition from concept to tangible capability. Production representative test vehicles, PRTVs, are scheduled for delivery in 2025, aligning with the Marine Corps' rollout schedule. Purpose-built to retrieve and repair disabled vehicles without requiring rear echelon assistance, the ACV-R boasts an array of specialized features: a heavy-duty winch for towing damaged vehicles, a powerful crane for lifting large components like engines, and integrated welding and diagnostic tools for on-site maintenance. This equipment suite gives Marine units the autonomy to maintain operational tempo during high-intensity missions. Internally, the ACV-R provides a fortified, functional space for its crew. Safety features include mine-resistant armor, blast-mitigating seating, and robust communications systems to coordinate with command and other support units. Its mobility is on par with its ACV siblings, allowing it to traverse water and rugged terrain with ease thanks to advanced suspension systems and amphibious propulsion. Garrett Lacalade, Vice President of Amphibious Programs at BAE Systems, emphasized the vehicle's strategic value. The ACV-R brings crucial recovery and repair capabilities directly to the point of need. It enhances battlefield readiness while prioritizing the safety of our Marines. The presentation of the ACV-R at DEFEA 2025 marks a key milestone for BAE Systems and reflects the increasing global demand for versatile, expeditionary land systems. With its four-pronged vehicle family now fully visible to international partners, the ACV program signals a significant leap forward in amphibious combat readiness and logistical self-sufficiency. Beyond its role in U.S. Marine operations, the ACV family, especially the ACV-R, is expected to draw attention from allied nations seeking interoperable and resilient armored solutions for coastal warfare and rapid response scenarios. By enabling frontline recovery without relying on rear area logistics, the ACV-R represents a tactical evolution in modern mechanized warfare support.